Hi, I'm Liz from Siva Dawn Jewelry, and today we're going to be making a wire weaving wrap. We're going to learn this pattern, which is really versatile, and you can use it on a lot of things. It's a two-base pattern. So start by getting two lengths. I use 18 gauge dead soft copper, and then I wrap with 26 gauge, which I have usually wound on a bobbin. So get two lengths of that to wrap your stone, whatever length your stone is. I'll use this. So I'm going to take about 8 inches, maybe a little less, just about 8 inches. And we'll start with two pieces. So you can now at this point straighten out your wires and start by joining your wires together. I'm going to start by taking one and wrapping your weaving wire around it 3 times. So put it over the top, down, up, and around. 1, 2, 3. So that's just to get started. Now what we're going to be doing is weaving a pattern, and it's going to be a pattern of 2 around both, and then 6 around just the bottom. So 2, 6, 2, 6, 2, 6, 2, 6, and repeat that as many times as you need to get the diameter of the stone. So we have our one wire here. I'll take the second. Let's start with the 2. I got on the bottom. Just go around the top to the bottom. 1, 2. Now go around the bottom one 6 times. 1, 2, 3. And then always push down the wire as you're going along. Hold these 2 secure at the bottom so nothing slides. Push it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Push it together. You can use a tool to do that. And now wrap 1, 2. Both of them together 2 times. There. Now we're going to wrap the 6 again. Around the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then both of them again. 1, 2. Okay, now repeat that as many times as you need to get the length you'll need to wrap your stone. So let's do that. Okay, so we've got a full length here. I've wrapped it a bunch of times, and now it's about 3.5 inches. And you see I messed up one time, but I just kept going. After it's done, you could always take your tool, press it down, and there you have it. There's a pattern for 2, 6, 2 base wires. So yeah, that's how you do this simple pattern, a 2 6, 2 around the both wires and then 6 around the bottom. It's really nice. It's a really easy pattern to change up and make different. If you want to have a different combination, maybe 2 and 4 makes it a little tighter. So whatever you want to do with this pattern, it will work. So I hope you like this video and this instruction on how to make this pattern with 2 base wires. So please like this video if you learned something, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this and other tutorials for jewelry making. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.